It's extremely valuable. Anytime we can give our students access to what industry is using today to develop skill sets that makes them employable immediately, but also prepares them for the applied side of theory as they progress in their education. It gives our students an advantage. It gives them an advantage, and hopefully, in the end, it makes them hireable and finds employment here locally. We want them to stay in our communities and invest back, and so anything we can do to work with industry to give them that access and serve our community in that way is a benefit for Oakland, but it's a benefit for all of Rutherford County.
So we really appreciate this. So what does it do for our students? Well, first and foremost, they learn to program these. These are industry robots. They're used on the line at Nissan. They do welding. They use them in the paint shop all across. And it's not just at Nissan. It gives them an advantage at other companies and other partners that we have. But they learn a skill set.
We're very appreciative of Rutherford County Schools accepting the donation, providing the funding for the 483 phase electricity that was brought into this part of the school, for elevating the ceiling to accept the robot's range of motion, and finally for going through and providing the funding to have a third-party safety evaluation completed, so that we make sure that all the training that is provided here is safe for everyone involved.
Again, we're extremely grateful for the partnership we have with Nissan. It's been invaluable for our students. And anytime we can have someone that is a global leader in the industry that they represent, to be able to come down and work locally with us and preparing the students, we know it benefits them, but it certainly benefits us in our community.